Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Melissa and I make videos on minimalism, motherhood and lifestyle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you cleaning tips from a minimalist. Since having kids, we have definitely gone more into minimalism, which sounds really weird, but it's really helped us stay on top of things and not have a house that's crazy. So with having a dog, 2 kids, a husband, our house gets a little bit mental. So cleaning is on my priority list, but I don't want to spend hours and hours a day cleaning because I just don't have the time. So I'm hoping that these cleaning tips are going to help you guys have a clean house with minimal effort. Let's get into this and I will show you my cleaning tips. So the very first tip I have for you guys is to make your bed first thing in the morning as soon as you get out of it. This is a job that takes 5 minutes, but it makes a real big impact on how you spend the rest of your day. I find when I make my bed first thing in the morning, I always feel more productive and more willing to do more with my day. Also, I like to fold my washing on my bed, so when my bed's made, it's one less job that I have to do before I can fold my washing onto my bed. Now, this day, Luna did not want to get off my bed and she kept jumping on my bed every time I tried to take her off it. Bless her heart, I feel really bad for keeping moving her, but I needed to make my bed, Luna. My next tip for you guys is to clear your bedside tables. Now, I've recently reshuffled my underwear into the 2 drawers at the bottom of this little drawer unit, so I could have the top drawer for notebooks and pens and all the things that I use to work in my top drawer. Now, I do all of my work and editing and everything usually in our bedroom, so I like this space to be clear for me to be able to do that. One of my top tips for you guys is to do 1 load of washing a day. This helps me keep on top of our washing because, as you can imagine, if you aren't parents yourself with kids, it's crazy. The amount of washing that just kind of magically appears out of nowhere. You end up with a mountain. So doing a load a day really helps you keep on top of that, and it helps clothes rotating through your wash basket. My next tip as far as washing is concerned is to fold your washing as soon as it comes out of the tumble dryer and put it away straight away. This is something that I've learned very quickly since having kids, because Otherwise, you end up with mountains and piles of washing everywhere if you don't put it away straight away. It will only take you 5 minutes if you're doing one load at a time to put the washing away. So put your washing away as soon as it comes out of the tumble dryer. Also, it helps not get creases in your washing if you're taking it out and folding it when it's warm.
Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. You fill my head with roses. I can't help but...
One of the things I like to do so we don't get fresh pyjamas out every night is to put our pyjamas underneath our pillows.
everywhere. Maybe there is a star.
One really easy way I find to keep our house clean and tidy is to put the things away that we use every morning as soon as they've been used. So this for me is when we get back in from dropping the boys at school. I will go around and everything that's been used in the morning I will pick up and put back in its rightful place. Everything in our house has a home, and this is a really simple way to keep everything clean and tidy in its rightful place.
Dreaming of you, 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 dreaming of you. What if the world had...
The rule that everything gets picked up after I come back from school run goes for every communal space in our house. So that's the kitchen, the living room and the bathroom all get tidied up. I think that if I leave the mess until the afternoon, I won't get round to tidying it up and the house will stay a mess until the boys get home, and then they will make more mess. So I find the best way to tidy up is to do it first thing in the morning, and then you can spend the afternoon relaxing. And again, everything has a place in our living room, so I put everything back where it should be, and that way it stays tidy.
Dreaming of you. You got something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own, but it's been 2 years. I'm only a shadow of the good on me now. A breeze in my ear, 'cause you know I cannot say no to you. Feeling like home, but should it be like this? Locked up in your dome, you know I fight for you. What do I do? Every time you call my name, what do I
One tip I find that always keeps our kitchen clean and tidy is to load and empty the dishwasher as soon as it's finished. This keeps any pots off the sides and helps me to be able to just wipe down the sides when they need wiping.
So I keep on rolling in silence. I find myself apologizing when you...
The last tip I picked up from my journey in motherhood is to clean up after every meal straight away. So this is when I've chopped any vegetables or have put any food into the cooker or the slow cooker. I will always pick up the cut up bits of vegetables and any packaging that the food has come in and make sure I dispose of it properly. This either being in the dustbin, the recycle bin or the compost bin. And I will always put my fresh vegetables back in the fridge as soon as I've finished with them so they don't go off. As well as this, I will always wipe down the sides so it stays clean and tidy and hygienic.
So I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. Is this really healthy?
To wipe down my sides, I use Ocean Saver. So this is a plastic bottle that you buy. It comes with a pouch of cleaner in it already, and you can buy the pouches separately to save you buying plastic bottles over and over again. So you put the pouch of liquid into a bottle of warm water and then shake it and it turns to cleaner, which I love, and it's environmentally friendly and plastic free except the bottle, of course.
So I keep on rolling in silence.
That's it from me for today, guys, but if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for 2 videos a week from me. And from me and Luna in the background, I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye!